Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today's show is going to be a little different. Today, we're doing magic. So, St. Patrick's Day weekend, two friends of mine decided that they wanted to go downtown San Diego and practice some of their street magic. So I decided, hey, I'm going to bring my cameras and my drone and record as much as I can. And so I've put together two tricks that they've done, one each. And I will also put their YouTube channel in the link in the description below, so that way you can go and check out more of their tricks. These guys are really good. Anyway, enjoy. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, comment, all that. All right, enjoy yourself.
Even worse, I waited for the too. What's even worse, if you keep your eye on the card the whole time, if you can see it, so it's not on the top. Here's the thing, you're not looking at the card right now, right? You see in the back.
Yeah, right.
So if you can see the face of the card, it'd be much more impressive if I make it happen while you're looking at it. Yeah?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
All right, so it was a king, the diamond or the heart?
The heart.
The heart. So can you say exactly what?
King.
One more time.
King of hearts.
Or we give that a little bit of a warm rub. You actually see that nine of spades? Come up. That's king of hearts.
What? That's awesome.
What the?
That was cool.
That's. What? I don't.
Out of all the cards, you had to pick that one?
This is ridiculous. I don't understand this.
Can I do some mind hacking real quick?
Sure.
All right, cool. So what I want you to think of is visualize all the cards. You know what the cards look like, from ace all the way to king. You have the number cards, and then you have the face cards. Which one of these comes out to you the brightest? No, you're picking a specific card. So you have the number cards here, and you have the face cards. Which one shines the brightest to you? Okay. So we have, of these face cards, we have the jacks, the queens, and the king. Which of these shine the brightest to you? The queens, okay. And then we have the suits, the diamonds, the hearts, the spades, and the clubs. The hearts. So inside my wallet, you just so happen to choose, what was it, the king or the queen? Queen of hearts. Now check this out. Inside my wallet, I have next to my money a single envelope. And you chose all of the cards in the deck, the queen of hearts.